Dear students, in the previous class we have already learned about the digits, numerals and numbers. Once again we remember those definitions. What is digit? Digit is a single symbol used to make numerals. Okay, digit is a single symbol used to make numerals. We used the digits to make numeral, right? Next, numeral. What is numeral? Numeral is the symbol or name that stands for the number. Okay, simply we say that numeral is the symbol of a number. Symbol of a number. Next, what is a number? Number is a count. It gives an idea about the numeral. Okay, number is a count. It gives an idea about the numeral. Simply we say that number is an idea to give an idea about the numeral, right? Now today we are going to learn about the number system. Then what is number system? That is a set of numerals that representing numbers is called a number system. Already I wrote the definition on the board. Look at here. A set of numerals for representing numbers is called number system. Already we told numeral for representing numbers, that is numeral is the symbol of numbers, right? So from that we write here numerals for representing numbers is called number system. So this is called number system. Another definition we have, number system is a pattern or set of numbers is one number is related to other number by or more operations. Okay, here a set of numbers in one number is related to other number. It tells us about the one number is related to other number. Okay, here the system is a pattern. Pattern means, for example, I will tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. It is a pattern. It has certain rule. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Like that only we can take, right? Another example, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that only we can take. In that pattern, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, like that only we can take. That is called pattern, right? So, number system is a pattern or set of numbers is one number is related to other number. It tells us about the related numbers, that is one number is related to the other number by more operations. Through the operations we know the fundamental operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. By using this we can tell the related between one number to the other number. Okay, so this is called number system. Okay, in this number system we have various types of systems. That is, there are various systems in number systems. That is natural number system, whole number system, integers, okay, rational numbers, irrational numbers, like that. See, one is natural number system, one is natural number system, second one is whole number system, third one integers, next rational numbers, rational numbers or rational number system, whatever it may be. And fifth one, irrational numbers, irrational numbers. About this, okay, now I will explain. Okay, first one is natural number system or natural numbers, right? See here, yes, see natural numbers, natural numbers. What is a natural number? What is the definition of a natural number? I will give you a small example. How many benches are there in your class? How can you say that? We count the benches. Okay. We are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on like that. After that, we will tell the total number of benches. Right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called counting numbers. Those counting numbers are called natural numbers. That means the numbers which are used to count, those numbers are called natural numbers. In another way, we say the definition, counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers, right? See here, I will write the definition here. Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 so on are called natural numbers, are called natural numbers. In another way, we define these natural numbers, that is, the numbers which are used to count, those numbers are called natural numbers, right? Generally, natural numbers are denoted by the capital letter N. So, natural numbers are denoted by the capital letter N. So, we can write the numbers in this way, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. This is called set of natural numbers. These are set brackets. This is called set of natural numbers. N is the set of natural numbers, right? Now, I will give some numbers here. 8, 12, 49, 0, 586, 996 like that. From this, which are natural numbers, which are not natural numbers? Here, while we counting the numbers, we can get 8, 12, 49, 586, 996. Okay, we get these numbers. So, these are called counting numbers. That is, they are natural numbers. But what about 0? Then what about 0? 0 is not a natural number. When we counting the objects, The counting starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, not 0. Okay, we can't take 0 for counting. So 0 is not a natural number. So it is not a natural number. Remaining are natural numbers, right? So here 8, 12, 49, 586, 996 are natural numbers. 0 is not a natural number. Then now I will take here 96 minus 85, next 1.3, next 5 by 7, like that I took here. From these numbers, which are natural numbers? Here, while counting, 96 is the natural number. Then minus 85, it is negative number. 1.3, it is not a natural number. 5 by 7 is also not a natural number. Okay, so here 1.3 is the decimal number, right? 5 by 7, it is in P by Q form. So it is not a natural number. So 96 only the natural number. That means natural numbers are starting from positive numbers. Okay, so natural numbers are positive numbers. They are not negative numbers. So minus 85 is not a natural number. So remaining decimal number and P by Q form numbers are also not natural numbers. Only 96 is the natural number. So natural numbers are positive numbers. So we conclude that here natural numbers are positive numbers. Right? So we have some important points in natural numbers. Now I will explain those points. Right? Listen carefully. Okay. Students, in natural numbers, what is the smallest number in natural number? We know that natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it starts from 1. So 1 is the smallest natural number, right? 1 is the smallest natural number. But what about the largest natural number? We can't define. Why? Because every number has in natural numbers its successor. Every number has its successor. Successor means one more than a number is called its successor. Okay, suppose 1. The successor of 1 is 2. The successor of 2 is 3. The successor of 3 is 4. Like that. That is called successor. Right? See here, first point I write here. The smallest number in natural numbers is 1, and the largest natural number cannot be determined. Because every number has its successor. That is the reason. Okay. Now the second one, the difference between any two consecutive natural numbers is 1. The difference between any two consecutive natural numbers between 1. What is consecutive? Following numbers each other continuously. Consecutive means following numbers each other continuously. Suppose 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4. So the numbers are coming continuously one after one, right? Now the difference between any two consecutive natural numbers, is 1, right? Now third point, suppose given a natural number, if we add 1, right, we get its successor. That means, see here, given a number, we can add 1 to that number to get its successor. Right? If we add 1 to the given number, we get the successor. Okay, for example, if we take 9, what is the successor of 9? 10. How can we get 9 plus 1? We add 1 to 9, we get 10. That is 9 plus 1. We add 1 to the given number, that is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is the successor of 9. Right? Now, next, fourth point. Given a number, we can subtract 1 from that number. To get its predecessor. Predecessor means before number. That is, suppose if we take 9, what is the predecessor of 9? That is 8. How can we get 8? We subtract 1 from 9. That is 9 minus 1, 8. Okay, so the predecessor of 9 is 8. The successor of 9 is 10. Like that one we can take. Example, right? See here. The successor of suppose 10 is, that is 10 plus 1, that equal to 9. Next, the predecessor of 10 is, that is 10 minus 1 is equal to, here 10 plus 1 9, 10 plus 1 11. Next, 10 minus 1 9. 10 minus 1 9. So the successor of 10 is 10 plus 1 11. The predecessor of 10 is 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Right? Here successor means one more than a number is called its successor. Successor means one more than a number is called its successor. Predecessor means one less than a number is called its predecessor. One less than a number is called its predecessor. If we need predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. If we need successor, we add 1 to the given number, we get successor. Okay, now next point. Okay, see the fifth point. the number of natural numbers between A and B, where A less than B is B minus A plus B minus A minus 1. B minus A minus 1. Okay, so here the number of natural numbers between A and B where A less than B is B minus A minus 1. Right, here A and B means, suppose if we take any two numbers, for example I will take how many natural numbers between 1 and 10. 1 is A, 10 is B. How many numbers we have? See here, suppose I will take the example here, A equal to 1, B equal to 10. Okay, the formula is here B minus A minus 1. B minus A minus 1. Here B means 10, A means 1. That is 10 minus 1 minus 1. 10 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 10 minus 2. So we get 8. So in between 1 and 10 we have 8 natural numbers. How many natural numbers? 8 natural numbers. So we use this formula, we write number of natural numbers between any two natural numbers. For example, another example I will tell. Suppose I will take A is equal to some 100. A equal to 100. B equal to suppose 999. Okay, how many natural numbers between these two? We use this formula, B minus A minus 1. B means 999, 999, that is 999 minus 100 minus 1, that is 999 minus 101. So how many numbers we have? You subtract this. Here 9 minus 1, 8. Okay, next 9, 8. So in between 100 and 999 we have 998 numbers we have. Okay, so the number of natural numbers between 100 and 999 is 898 numbers. Okay, so in this way we use this formula, we can find the number of natural numbers between any two natural numbers. Right, next the last point, the number of natural numbers between A and B, already I wrote between. Here the number of natural numbers from A to B. Say from A to B. From A to B. Where A less than B. Is B minus A plus 1. Right? The number of natural numbers from A to B where A less than B is B minus A plus 1. See the examples here. Suppose I will take A equal to 11, B is equal to some 29. How many natural numbers from 11 to 29? We use the formula, that is B minus A plus 1, that is B 29 minus 11 plus 1. 29 plus 1 30. 30 minus 11, okay, that is how much? 19. Okay, 19. So from 11 to 29 we have 19 natural numbers. In this way we use this formula. Okay, I hope you understand about this natural numbers. Okay, in this number system we have already discussed types of numbers. Those are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. So I explained about the natural numbers. Okay, in the next class I will explain international system of numbers. Okay, Hindu Arabic system, place value, face value. Okay, thank you.